So guys, I'll show you today how to go from this kind of tire and treads to this one kind of tire and treads. And I'm going with this machine here. It's pretty easy to use. So you have like a bunch of the different ends, the number 4, 5 and all this stuff. So it's so easy to use. Just put it like right between here and find your angle. Well, how like deep is it? So if it's going deeper, then it will cut less. More out here, it will cut more. And it work when you putting it like right here and then you gently push on it and there is a click sound. This is when it works. So gently, just like this. And lift it. Push it and lift it. Push it and just keep doing this until you're satisfying with your tire tread. So those tires is not really bad, but I will slightly make them better, but eventually it's need to be changed anyways. But I keep the life just a little bit longer. This was a little bit too deep, and this one too. And the rest of it, you're taking your screwdriver, kind of prime it. It will come out. So from this kind of side, it will tune out to right here. And you can do also treads like this one, and I'll show you on the different tire right there. So you're finding your depth. Cut just a little bit, and if satisfying you with the depth, then just keep rolling. Get the screwdriver, pull it up just to make sure you don't go to the wire all the way. Looks good. And I already did right here. So I'm going this like this side, and then I'm pulling the truck a little bit forward. Nice line. Let's go on this side now. So if it's smoke, then you need to go a little bit faster, just a little bit faster. And also you do the sides. And you're doing the whole thing. Well, just up to you if you want to do all the tires or just some of them, because I'm gonna do just some of them, because some of them is good depth, like this pair. It's pretty good one, and you can see like there is a bunch of nails or something, so you need to mark it for the future repairs, or just go to a shop so they will take it out. So this is untouched and touched. So let's see how fast can you do a quarter tire. So you will see, and then we will do the calculation, so how much time it takes to actually do the tires. Okay. A little bit deeper, just like this. Let's roll it. I will try to cut my longest line because I'm getting better. And by the way, this is my first time doing this. Ah, so oh, okay. Inner tires are kind of hard to do it because they're a little bit further inside. Okay, let's check it out. I think it's so far it's my longest one. Just by the yay. Okay, so that's how much it took me to do the about like 1/3 of the tire. So I did from here and I did to right here. So it's about was 1/3 of tire. So this is how much time it actually takes to cut the tire, but it's only from inside tread, so it's only inside tread and the left rod, and I didn't do these ones because they was deep. So in one of the threads I found something very interesting. This so it looks like a bolt. In order to find out if it will leak, you have to speed on it. And if it doesn't bubble, then it looks good. So I started to work on my wheel. So here was the beginning and here was the end. So I'm almost done with my work.